try the Caseless Caddis now. Same hook again, the HC 1160 or 1167. I take one of them, size 10 or 8. I still like it back, a bit big. Gonna put it in the vise. I use the nickel one now. So we have some this will be the version actually 2.0, Caseless Caddis 2.0, because I'm gonna tie them from struggle string, a beige body, and a peacock imitation for peacock color imitation struggle string. We have our nano. We have some fluorocarbon, at least 10 pounds, 12 pounds as a ribbing, which is actually the most important material for this fly. We have some lead wire substitute. That's it. Flexi body for the back of the fly. That's it. Okay, set up my thread. This is a scissor, this one better. First the thread, and then I'm going all the way back, and I'm going to set up the lead wire, a piece of lead wire substitute. I have 3 versions. I do 1 layer of wire, 1.5, so I cover the shank and the thorax, and then I have another version which is 2 layers, and that depends about the depth of the water. If I have very shallow water, I use with 1 layer, and if it's a little bit deeper, I use 1.5 layer. Is it about 2 meters deep, or then I use 2 layers of wire. I start at the back and then I turn it up like that. Oh, I prefer to have it. Okay, there we go. So I like to do the 1.5 version here, like a little space there. Okay, there we go. And now I do the thorax extra like that for the thorax version. So this is 1.5 version. So take it up here, cover it with the nano silk, get some this is something new I'm trying, but I don't know what some varnish over it, secure it. There we go. Now I take about a long piece, about 20 centimeters of fluorocarbon. And what is important, I tie it in just behind the wire, because if you tie it in the wire, you get it really bulky here at the end, and I don't like that. That's one, and try to change it a little bit, give it space. Then I tie in a piece of flexi body, and what I like to do is to cut out a little shape, boat shape, like this, going like that, and like this, and that's the shield. In case this Caddis, I tie it in with the tip, take off the paper on the other side, like that, and I tie it in with the tip. Okay, that's it. Now I take my struggle string with a beige color for the first part of the body, like that. Tie it in. we go. I tried to make it a little bit tapered body. So going down again. I used to use the you call it body gills or furry foam for it, but it's so fragile, and every time it breaks when you tie the fly, and then if it's too long in your fly box, it falls apart because the UV light. So this is a little bit more durable, and it's a little bit shiny too. So I could change it a little bit. Now I'm gonna do the thorax with a different peacock lookalike color. Just like that. There we go. Nice thorax. Tie it off. And now we pull it over, tie it off here, and we cut away the shield. And now we're gonna form the shape of the fly or the nymph with the monofill. It has to be 12, you know, exact 12, because some fish are so selective. They know exactly how many windings you do, you know. But 12, that's the real insect, has 12. And this is, so it goes all the way till the front, and you can see the monofill actually make the fly. And then we tie it off. And that's my Caseless Caddis.